Hello everyone, I'm Felipe Vieira. I will show how to use the Algorand PHP SDK with most used PHP Frameworks. I will show how to use with Codeigniter, Laravel, Lumen, Symfony and Yii. Basically, we need to include to your project the Algorand SDK. We have two modes. First, with namespace based, and other mode is included with a single mode. And this folder too, you can find the whole frameworks setup. You need just to copy and paste for frameworks folder, and you can find the Codeigniter setup, Laravel, Lumen, Symfony and Yii. Right? At your GitHub, you can find all instructions and guide to install Algorand node and use all available functions with application samples, right? So basically, you can use it included standard functions or with a namespace include. To include the Algorand class, KMD class, indexer class, B, and MSG pack. So let's start with Codeigniter. At Codeigniter, we will need just to include the Algorand SDK folder, right? Our class has your namespace, then we need create the controllers. For example, I create a controller for Algorand, indexer and KMD. At Algorand controller, we need to insert the use includes, and just to create a new method using the Algorand variable equal new Algorand class and your Algorand token. Then you can use all available functions. For example, I will start get status. Let's test. For Codeigniter, public access Algorand. Right? Let's show the source code, and here the node status. Let's test other functions. You can copy from GitHub guide documentation. Here for use Algorand. Let's try check address balance. Let's do the Algorand Explorer to get a sample. You need just paste to execute the code. Let's test with this address, save, and run. Let's try with algo address. Filter form. Here. Copy. Paste. And run. Right? The SDK return all address informations. Let's try other functions. Get all accent. Just copy paste and run. Here all available assets. More one. Get the quick supply reported by ledger. Right, all run fine. You can try with KMG. Let's get the KMG version. Let's try KMD v1, perfect. At Codeigniter, you can configure the roots at config folder. Right, for /algod you access algod controller and index method. For /kmd controller, index method, /index for index controller and index method. Then we need to just add Algorand PHP SDK, configure the roots, create the PHP controller, include the all class, start a new method, and run the available functions. Let's show Laravel. For Laravel, it's similar, just add the Algorand PHP SDK folder and app folder, then add HTTP folder, add the algod indexer and KMD class, include the namespace, start a new method, and run the commands. Let's try Laravel. Laravel public Algorand view source run node status perfect kmd to retry the version run indexer. We need a start indexer to show results. With a Laravel, we can use two methods. We use the namespace, or you can just using the standard include. Let's see the root. Okay, here. Roots web. Perfect. Let's in this file web.php at roots folder. You can create your roots for Algorand controller, KMD controller, index controller with the address /algorand /kmd /indexer for user with namespace include. So with Laravel you can use it with standard included. We can just include the directory and start the new methods. But for Laravel, we recommend using namespace. So let's try with Lumen. Lumen is similar to Laravel. For Lumen, we need just to add the Algorand SDK PHP folder. And then add HTTP, just create the controllers, Algorand, indexer, KMD. These are only a suggestion for organize your project. After create your controller and include our namespace, you can configure the roots. At the roots folder web PHP, right? And you can use the two and the traditional include the PHP function. Let's try Lumen. Lumen public run from index. Now let's try Algorand address run kmg kmd right, return version, indexer, return true. Perfect. Let's try with a Symfony. For Symfony, you just need to add the Algorand PHP SDK folder at src folder. Then at controller folder, we need to create a controller, include all namespace class, and we can configure all routes here. Create functions and specify the address. Then this slash algod will ask for Algorand function, and here you just need to start a new method and execute the comments. The Symfony is different. You need to return the output with response method. For this, I created the output variable, and all print results with true to return a string. Then you need just collect all string to print it with response method, right? Same for algod, kmd, and indexer. At Symfony, you need just edit the roots file using the config roots. You need just to uncomment this. If we start a new controller with Symfony, we start with a commented file. You need just to uncomment it and create a default controller. So it's src default controller, right? Let's test Symfony. Symfony public. Let's try algod. Run fine. This aqui return the node status. Let's start kmd return indexer true, right? Now let's try with we. For we, it's simple too. You need just include the Algorand PHP SDK folder at we folder, and at controller, site controller or your controller, you need just add the namespace include and create the functions. So here I created the action for algod, and I start the PHP SDK, action for kmd, and start the kmd method, action for indexer, and start the indexer method. Let's try. We web algod kmd all run. Let's try one function from Git documentation. Let's get to the suggested fee. At Algorand, I will comment the status and just paste the transactions fee. Algorand run return 0. Let's try other. We can try a payment transaction. You just copy. For payment, we need to use the KMD. I will try first get a signed transaction, then I will submit for network. First, I will get the status. Again, so I use the last round to configure your transaction. First and last. Perfect. Let's try with send from to. Then I will send from this address to this address. Amount. Perfect. First I will just print the signed transactions. KMG. I need to update password tests. And so I need this inform the wallet handler token. Wallet init. So first, for send a transaction, we need to start the wallet. Inform the wallet ID, wallet password, right? Create the transaction and sign in the transaction. Let's try. Perfect. Now we have a signed transaction. Let's broadcast to network. For this, we use this function. Let's broadcast. Right. About token. And send. Here I need to use the Algorand, just Algorand, because we're using the namespace include, using include. Perfect. Let's try again. All right. Transaction sent. Let's check the transaction. With our Explorer. Return. Perfect. That's it. We can try all available functions. If you need a question, we can see the completed documentation at our GitHub. Thank you for watching.